Gee, it sure is boring around here. My boy, this piece is what all true warriors strive for. I just wonder what Ganon is up to. Your Majesty, Ganon and his minions have seized the islands of Caridai. How can we help? It is written, only Link can defeat Ganon. Great, I'll grab my stuff. There is no time, your sword is enough. How about a kiss? For luck? You've got to be kidding! Squadala, we're off! Wow, what are all those heads? These are the faces of evil. You must conquer each. I guess I better get going. Here, here's the map. Where do you wish to go? Lempoil, Roop, Bombs, you want it? It's yours, my friend, as long as you have enough rupees. Sorry, Link, I can't give credit. Come back when you're a little richer.